Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel, part of so one more Mivus VectorDB example. Okay, so here we're gonna run our, we'll start again here. We're gonna run the key and then we're gonna run the ports here. This is where my Mivus is running. Then we're gonna load a website, right? And let's about the Mivus, right? We're gonna run the web. Okay. So now how many pages we have? 4 pages. Now let's look at the Mivus page here. Okay. And this is Mivus saying that what is Mivus and all the stuff. And then we're gonna, right, we don't have to learn the low level of getting into actual Mivus calls. Then the vector long chain vector store will take, Mivus will take care of it. Okay. And then we're gonna get the embedding and then we're gonna split the documents, right? And now after split, right, then we have 4 pages and then we have all the documents here. Now let's look at how many documents we have. So since this is big pages, right, I'm going to split into, 162 chunks, right? Because we did here, look at that one, then we did the pages to split, then we appended and everything into one. Then we're gonna start the Mivus, right? The new doc, embedding, connections, right? Then we're gonna go with the default search params and then index param, right? And so if you look at here, previously I had search params, index params, but here I'm not defining. Let's go with, right? And then let's run it and right, and then okay. What is Mivus? Then run it, then you will get the Mivus doc. Now I want to see, right, the collection names. Let's go to here. Let's run the collection names, right? Okay, and then new, right, movies ID, symptoms collection, context collection, then, right. So here, what is the collection name we gave? Right? We didn't give any collection name, right? And then, okay, so previously, what is the collection name here? Context collection, intent collection, then, right? So basically, it created automatically created a new collection, long chain collection, right? So look at that collection names, and then you're good to go, right? So this is how, very simple. Right, you read a document, then you instantiated your, but you can also, let's put the collection name. It's always a good practice, right? I'm going to get the, oops, here. Never do that way. So go to the collection name, right? Oops, equal to, well, yes, okay. Let's create a collection name, then add a collection name here. Okay. Then, okay. So bigger collection name, and then, okay. Now let's run the collection name, then you will see Mivus. So always best practice, you have the collection names, don't go with the defaults and all that stuff. But just I want to show that this. So look at how simple it is, vector store, right? You got the documents, right? From web loader or PDF, then you did the split, you have the pages, then you did the recursive split, right? Basically chunks and overlap, and then you have a docs. Then, these docs, you can run it, now, you want to, right, you can send the docs to your, I want to add some, I want to build the document, do things in different way. But again, you can give the docs to here, right? And then run. Okay, it will run then. So here I try to do the page numbering and all the stuff I'm changing and right. But again, don't do this kind of, it's just for example for you all, but very simple. You have a docs, right? After the split, this is chunks, just add it, that's it, you're done. And this is how. So from documents, right? Then now let's say you already done, right? Now I'm not adding any more documents. Okay. Now if you look at here, I want to my VectorDB instance. Okay. Not the VectorDB instance. Okay. Now here, now I got the VectorDB of the collection Mivus. Now I can run so now there's the pipeline team building it. Now you're a front-end application guy, right? And now you want to get the VectorDB instance, right? So simply here, you tell the Mivus what are the embeddings you're going to use, what is the collection name, and then now you have VectorDB here, and then run the VectorDB, and then your data is coming back. So here for the load, this is for load guys, because then you are using from documents. These are the from documents, load into VectorDB, then you got the VectorDB instance. But here as a that is a backend guy. As a front-end guy, you want to get a Mivus instance of your collection instance, then you can run the similar actions. Okay, so this Mivus instance, right, or this Mivus same, but here you are using a different API call. That's for load, and this is for sets. Okay, so this is how you learn about Mivus instance, Mivus load, similarity sets. Now look at I gave a lot of information in the previous video, but here very simple. You got the docs, you load the docs. That's it. Here very simple, load the docs. You don't have to be very fancy on this one. And then okay, the docs can be page, docs can be chunks. Okay, thank you all. And any questions, send me an email to skondapalli@ambaricloud.com. Thank you.